Today is June 25th, 2026. I'll be going over today's price action. Ended up again taking one trade, which I really liked, and ended up getting break even, which also saved me from a loss. So very good, very nice trade. And yeah, I mean today was a really just like what the frick day. You know what I mean? What the hell? What just happened? Why did we do that? So yeah, we're a very weird day, to be honest. Cause okay, yeah, very weird day. So coming to market open, I had more a let me see. Coming to market open, what did I have? I have more of a bearish bias here. Why? Because we're just inside this high time frame. High time frame 4 hour fair value gap, respected CE of the fair value gap. Also, what are we doing in a high time frame? I'm pretty sure we're in the 50%. I think we were in 50% of the high time frame. Yep, 50% of the high time frame inside a 4 hour fair value gap. I was, you know, leaning more bearish. I was super bearish, but I can't lie. We did have this data wick above right here. So I was just trying to see what we do with market open. If we, manipulate into something, maybe this 1 hour right here. We had a what the fuck, 1 hour right here. Did we have no? So we had this 1 hour right here, and I was just playing conditions here, because we're in between two high time frame DLOs here. We had a 5 minute. Okay, we have this 15 minute right here. We have this 15 minute right here. Boom. And yeah, to be honest, I just wanted either of these draws to get hit, either this one or this one, and then target the other one. That's what I wanted. We are in a 4 hour value gap though, so I was being careful about that. So yeah, that's what I wanted. We had a bunch of low resistance leading up to this data wick. Data wicks are very good deal to target. But yeah, I'm just waiting for that. I'm just waiting for either of these DOs to get hit, either this 1 hour or this 7:30 data wick up here. So we can take a short off it or come here, take a long to the data wick. That was my conditions for the day. Same thing with ES, data wick above, and then we had this 1 hour. Yeah, we had this 1 hour right here. Pretty sure we had yeah. So yeah, I was just looking for either that to get hit or the 15 minutes to get remanipulated, maybe take a long. So I was just waiting for that. I'm just waiting for that. See what we do there. So what does 9:30 do? Immediately come higher into this 15-minute gap, displace lower, and I mean, what trade could you really take in here? I think there was like some discretionary trade you could have taken here off market open. But I don't know. I wouldn't have done that. I don't know. It just looks weird. It's sketchy. I don't like that wick above. But boom, immediately tap this 15-minute gap. I was not looking for trades here at all. Why? Because what we are in between two high time period DOLs. We're in this 1 hour for value. Oh, we have 1 hour for value with a bunch of low resistance liquidity leading up to this 1 hour, or this this data wick above with a bunch of low resistance liquidity leading up to the data wick. So two high time frame like LR DOLs, like beautiful trade. I mean beautiful trade. Beautiful like DOLs to target, a bunch of LR. So I'm just waiting. What do we do here? I did not want to play conditions today, just because both of these are super A plus plus. So I'm just waiting for either one to get swept. We had this. I think there was like a. Oops, I think there was like a 30-second right here. Yeah, there was like a 30-second right here. Insane, by the way. Yeah, 30-second, right? If you waited for the 1 minute, I think there's no way unless you get filled right there. But yeah, you could have taken this. I thought it was kind of low probability. Why? Because what, we have two high resistance draws. This one right here, this one right here. Price could easily just reverse off here, uh, and just give us a long. Why? Because we're stuck between a range, in between two draws. So yeah, that was the first trade. If you took that, well, if you were convicted, then sure. Well, I just wouldn't take it. If you took this 30-second right here, or this 1 minute, and then there's like a pre-market 2 minute, which is crazy. Pre-market 2 minute. There's a 1 minute too. Yeah. Okay. So right here, I was just waiting for some type of long opportunity to target all this LR leading up to this 7:30 data wick up here. What do? Okay. We immediately just start ripping lower, dude. Holy, dude. We immediately, after this 15-minute tap, we have ripped 500 points. Dude, you know how insane that is? 500 points during New York session? What the fuck? So at this point, I'm like, bro, we're short bias, bro. We're completely running through this gap. Like, ES, pretty sure, super short bias, completely running all these DOLs. So at this point, I'm just waiting for either of these assets because um, this is my new DOL here because I'm just short bias at this point. They're just like, dude, we're literally just ripping lower. If you literally, you could have pressed short and it would have been money because it's just how volatile and just like how much are we just displacing lower with no literally no retracements. And then eventually, ES hits this 1 hour, well, this swing low sell side liquidity right here. We also create an SMT, and what do we have? We have a 30-second MAC, 30-second right here. If you took this, I don't know what to say to you, gang. I mean, dude, to me, this trade is really not good at all. Why? Cause why? Why? Because what, you have no engineered liquidity. You only have one target, which is what, this swing high right here as your DOL. You have no low resistance liquidity. If you're taking next, you need low resistance liquidity. You need high time frame. I mean, you need a reason for price to come back to this 5 minute. Because what next? Like what next? It's just like you're taking a reversal trade, and you only have one target, a 5 minute gap as your deal. Like, you need some type of resweep, you need some type of engineered liquidity. Yes, we had an SMT, but like, bro, this is just like not a good trade that played out. And yeah, I would just not take this. Just not do it. Just not. Just and also look, after we dumped 500 points, you're trying to take the first 30-second inversion off of SMT. I mean, bro, it's crazy how this played out, but good for you, bro. But that was insane. So, bullshit. So I'm just waiting. At this point, I'm just waiting for a 15-minute or a 30-minute to get tapped because what, the edge high time frame DLL right here. Yes, we SMT'd it, but I really did not care because what, we have dumped over 500 points. And I am still short bias here, bro. I just don't. I'm still short bias here, bro. There's no way we're reversing 800 points again, right? We're just not doing that. Like, we have dumped over, bro, 3%, bro. What the fuck? 3%, gang. You think we're gonna just reverse this? I would easy, like, this is just easy, like, continuation model. Like, we get a 15-minute here, and then we tap it, and then we get a short. Pretty simple. So just waiting for a 15-minute. Jesus, man. Okay, what the hell is going on? Okay, but we get a 30-minute right here. Right here. We have a 30-minute right here, gang. And yeah, we open up this 30-minute. You know, we hit. Oh shit. Sorry, my bad. I don't know what's going on, bro. What the hell was that? Um. Okay. Anyways, we open up this 30-minute right here. ES is also in a 30-minute. So what do we have? True inflation with this. True inflation. We have true inflation. We have a clear target. Yes, this is S&T, but I really don't care because what we have literally have ripped over 800 points on ES. So this is pretty insane, right? Um, and yeah, I still do believe we're gonna go lower after this. And yeah, I was still short bias. Also, if you look at the whole low time frame, we have what, a bunch of LR with this 5 minute. We have also a 5 minute ED low to target as our DOL. So we have a 5 minute ED low plus a bunch of LR, just the most beautiful LR you ever seen there. A bunch of stacked LR right here, leading up to what, this 5 minute low. Yes, same thing. A bunch of LR. ES did take it though right here. The will, well, it's not the trade yet, but a bunch of LR leading up to this 5 minute leading it low. True manipulation. We have basically the structure here was so beautiful. We tapped into this 30-minute gap at right here. You get a resweep and immediately get an inversion lower to target all of this LR right here. I took this one right here. We have a 1 minute reversion at what, 10:30 PO3 with 10:30 PO3. 1 minute inversion targeting all this LR leading into the 5 minute, both as is true manipulation, spotted true manipulation, both distribution, whatever, blah blah blah. Boom, we get this short opportunity right here, and I ended up taking my position short right here. I put my stop loss right there, and I'm just targeting this 5 minute 80-minute low. I'm not trying to target all the way down here because this would be just a 1 to 5 RR trade, pretty insane. I'm just trying to take my piece of the pie, and I'm just trying to ride this out because just the low resistance liquidity, beautiful structure, also in line with 930 PO3, manipulated inside this 30-minute gap, and I'm still overall high time frame bearish. So yeah, very clean trade. Immediately, I thought I was gonna get stopped out. I'm not gonna lie, right here, I thought I was cooked. I was like, bro, what? Yeah, I really thought I was about to get stopped out there. Um, so, but no, we didn't. I got saved by 9:45. I kind of thought 9:45 was gonna stop me out too, but I was like, yeah, 9:45 should just deliver at this point. After this, after coming higher, edging my high time frame DO. We also, this is technically a rejection block. I really don't use rejection blocks, but technically this is a rejection block. Um, but yeah, we edge my stop loss, and then we get a CISD with, we get a CISD right here. So at this point, after this candle right here, wait, not this one right here, after tapping this 1 minute cap right here, I decided to go break even. Why did I go break even? Because what, 9:45 open, 9:45 should just deliver us lower. All this DOS, like all this low resistance liquidity should easily get swept, get ran, all this get ran. So at this point, I decided to go break even. I think it was a very good break even for me. We also closed CIZ, tapped this rejection block. You know, everything was there for me. I actually like this trade a lot. Also, again, 9:30 PO3. I mean 9:30, 10:30 PO3. Um, and yeah, 10:15. Just like stack PO3 right here, bro. Um, and yeah, I decided to go break even, and I got tagged out at break even right there, which also saved me from a loss. So very clean, very clean. At this point, I just got off because I already took my trade, break even trade. Also, the lunch session about to start. Is about to be 11 p.m. So like that's when the New Year session ends. So very good trade. Yeah, I would definitely take this 10 out of 10 times. Very good. And yeah, I really thought I was about to get stopped there. I was like, damn, I really like this trade too. Um, and yeah, that's really it. Very clean. And then I think at like lunch session, like we this is when we actually get the short plan out at like literally at 10. I mean 11 p.m. So I don't take trades at lunch. Um, and yeah, I mean at least my TP was right. My TP, my DOO was right. We were gonna go to this 5 minute email low. It just like literally happened at like 10, at 11 11:15. So you know. what can I do? So we just remanipulated. I guess we just remanipulated, and then we got the short. I mean, but it was like we got a 4 minute. I think it was 4 minute. Yeah, it was 4 minute that didn't even close. So it's kind of brutal. Yeah, that is pretty brutal. I think your stop loss would be here. Do you even get a 101 here if you put your stop loss there? Let's see, you put your stop loss right here. Not even at the swing. If you put your stop loss here, bro, damn, we got break even, gang. Does it hit TP? No, you mean we get stopped. Maybe you put it up here. Yeah, you get stopped. So yeah, that's really it for today. Overall, again, bro, the markets have been fucking dog shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. It's been just a bunch of break evens for me. Like it was super good last month. Um, it was super good last month, right? Last month I was hitting a lot of good trades. Also, this like the beginning of this month, but you know, now it's just been break even, break even, break even, break even, break even, break even. It's been like 3 break evens in a row, bro. It's actually insane. Yeah, the market's been kind of butt recently. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't taken a winning trade in a minute. It's just been break evens and my first loss in a minute. Um, yeah, you look, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've taken 5 break evens, gang. Um, in the last 2 weeks, I have taken 5 break evens, 2 no trade days, and yeah. But yeah, this is what happens, bro. You gotta stay patient. Like when the market was super green, I passed my first eval, um, and I was doing really good. But like, look, if this was like me from a couple months ago, dude, I would have already thrown my account. But I'm, I'm trading more uh probabilistic. Like I'm trading trades that I feel like I'm convicted in. And look, I'm taking a lot of break evens, but what most of these break evens saved me from a loss, which is super good. This one saved me from a loss. Only one of these went to TP. And yeah, it's been hella break evens, gang. But just staying patient, take your trades, go break even when you have to, and then that's pretty it. Yeah, that's really it.